Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a full screen photo on incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Contacts application. This is where all your saved contacts are listed. Step 2. Now, locate and tap on the search bar. Type the name of the contact you want to customize and select it from the list. Step 3. Next, locate and tap on the More button, usually 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 4. Now find the Edit Call Background option and tap on it. Then choose the background option. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose Gallery, select the photo you want to use, and then tap Set as Call Background. Your selected image will now appear in full screen for incoming calls. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.